No! 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 Hello there. It's been a while since I've played Identity 5 on my own. Like, I have not picked up Identity 5 and went, I'm gonna do some hunter gaming. And like, I don't know, a long time. So, yeah, here we are, and we're gonna be playing, nope, not that. We're gonna be playing Geisha, cause I got her Manchurian crane. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Ignore my other financial decisions. I got some stuff. Oh no! Okay. Wait, is the rank open? Good. I would have actually killed myself. Oh, sorry, Violetta. I lost my Violetta A badge already. I already lost it because I did not rank for like so long. Where is she? There she is. She's beautiful, she's stunning, and there's an Adamo. We've got this, or I've got this. I have no one to fall back on now. I have to use myself, and only myself to rely on. I'm not that useful. Are you behind that? No, you're not. Watch this. Watch this, girl. How? You have got to be joking me. Haha, loser. Walk through pallets. That's right, that's right. This loser will be none the wiser. Oh yeah, use your stun. Use your stun, alright. Use your stun. But that's right. You're nothing. You're nothing without your stun. Oh, hey, Emil. You gonna use that? Here. Have that. Have that hook. I meant not that hook. That, thingy. Oh yeah, I'm the best. I'm the best. I'm the best. Okay, I know they're coming from this way because that cipher stopped shaking. Oh, they're coming from both ways. Oh, you could have like 3 stunned there and like, oh, you were too late. You were too late, loser. I'll break that pallet. And now everyone has damage. Okay, I'm gonna go for Enchantress. Where is she? Okay, let's go Enchantress. Round 2. Look at me all you want, but you're still dead. You're not going into basement. Oh, I forgot I had the stupid windows thing. They're healing? Over here? Oh, yeah. They're all here. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Patient, I'm gonna put a hook on you. Oh, no, I'm not gonna put a hook on you. You have nothing. Okay, now where is she going? Over yonder? Oh, over yonder. Breaking this. Terror Shock. And they're over here. Coming in for the early rescue. That literally wasn't even a pallet stun. That literally was not even a pallet stun. How dare you? Die. Die. Die, all of you. All of you will die to my hand. And then... Oh! How did that work? In her favor. Use your thing. Use your thing. Go ahead, use it. How did that not hit her? She's slow then. But now that you have nothing, you are nothing. I did. Oh, hello. Oh. I knew you vaulted that, but like, I'll just break all these pallets because I placed that butterfly wrong. Oh, terror shock. You know what? I was gonna say I'm feeling nice, so, because the dungeon was right there, but... Wait, this is actually the worst day to play. Wait, no. Enchantress, Priestess, and Mercenary are free today. Why must I torture myself? Okay. Oh no, Enchantress, Antiquarian. Oh, okay. Never mind. I can who is that? It's Mercenary. I'm not chasing Merc first, but I'm like gonna pretend to, and then I'm gonna go over here. He's bouncing off. Haha, fool. Oh, he has a gun. I forgot I had confined space. Like, that's actually really good for me. He has a gun though. I hope he misses it. I really hope he misses it, because that would be so... Why did you transition over here though? That wasn't even... Was that a misclick? Get off that cipher, stupid. Okay, let's go back now. Okay, gotta hit. Why are you going over there? Okay, we got Lucky Guy and it's after half 2. Should I just go for Merc? No, I don't want to lose Lucky Guy. No, wait, who's over here? Wait. I'm getting the music, but like... Are you hiding from me? If you hiding from me? If you are, like, I'm blind, so... Where are they? I do know someone is at this cipher, though. Enchantress. No, that means Nautilus is back there. Stun me. Do it. Okay, flywheel. Nice flywheel. Oh yeah, just loop. Okay. They healed Merc. That's good, because that means they weren't decoding. Yay! Oh, there's Enchantress? You're telling me I didn't use Soul Departure and then hit a survivor? Oh, that was a bad butterfly. Where are you going now? No, I'm gonna cut you off from this. Boom. Haven't started on a cipher yet. Okay. I just need to get Enchantress down quickly. There we go. No prime. And then chair. Let's go over here, because I see the cipher shaking. Oh no, I forgot how good this novelist was at hiding. You tried to flywheel, but you failed, because I'm Geisha. Oh, that was a fail. That was a hashtag fail moment. No! 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 I hate you. I hate you. Let's block this off again. Wait, where did he go? No, like, wait, where did he go? Oh. Why does her like... Okay. He went here? I'm not blind. See guys, I'm beating the allegations. I know where he went. Oh god, you're fast. But you have no elbow pads. You still have elbow pads? I stand corrected. Let me just emote. We're emoting together. He's taking a picture of me. No, is he? Wait. Oh my god, he's like sending me a kiss. I'm having like really boring matches today, so we're gonna go back to Hunter. I was playing Survivor, and I was having like the most boring matches ever. And so now I'm just gonna play Hunter. Oh my god! Badges. Fuck you guys. Badges, badges, get out of my matches. Badges, badges, get out of my matches. Badges, badges, get out of my matches. Okay. Oh no, they know where I am because of my eye. What am I gonna do? I don't know how to fucking track the location thing like other hunters do because I'm a little challenged. I'm a little dumb. Okay, they're hiding. Oh, hello, little girl. Were you not looking? Frick you. Frick you. Frick you. Frick you too, darn. That's right, frick you. Okay. Oh, nice. What? I hate you. I hate you and everything that you stand for. Hello, Enchantress. Are you gonna harass? Cause I'm gonna get your ass. Yeah. You all have flywheel. You all have flywheel. Yeah, stun me. The funny thing was I was playing Enchantress, so. We're just gonna tear Enchantress now. Haha, got you. Are you gonna vault or not? She vaulted. Okay, cute. Gotcha. That trick never works. That literally never works. Why is Gravekeeper still in the ground? How did that not pallet stun me? Yes! Pallet spam queen. Nice. Why did you come? And why do you have crows? Are you a bot? You're a bot. And you're... Okay. I love Priestess, but not when I'm Hunter. Oh, but we found the barmaid. We found the barmaid. We just got a drunk guard. Wonder who it's from. Okay, drinks. Can she get it off though? Can she get it off? Ah! Nope. She can't. Hello, lawyer. Salutations, lawyer. Don't do this to me. No! Sorry. Who did that? Oh my god. Lawyer, where are you? When I catch you, lawyer, when I catch you. She did not look back. I see you, I see you. Don't you dare make that portal. Don't you dare... Okay. I see a trail. I see a trail. And it's mercenary. Cute. I'll just drop this. I meant not drop this. Just, yeah. Let's see what cipher is being worked on. Yup, got her. Huh? Oh. Did she go back through it? Fuck her. She went back through it. How dare you? I'm not gonna fall for it again. Priestess. Priestess, get back here. When I catch you, Priestess. When I fucking catch you, Priestess. I hate Priestess. I hate Priestess on this fucking map. What the fuck? Never let me catch you making another fucking portal again. I hope you're out. Okay, we're gonna switch targets just because we can. Grr! How dare you? What? What the fuck? You've used all of your elbow pads. I would take a bullet for you just to prove my love. Oh right, I forgot she wasn't dead in one hit. Embarrassing. Okay, now she's dead. She's dead. I'm so happy. Okay, let's go over here. Break this. Lawyers on the last cipher. Okay. Oh, just in time! Oh my god! Okay, so he's over there. He's probably gonna get dungeon, actually, because that's where it's near. Oh, okay. Down I go. Are you waiting on dungeon? If you are, that's cringe and embarrassing. Okay. I won. I would take a bullet for you just to prove my love.